3 or 4 bedroom home with hardwood floors, grand living area, and spacious kitchen in Sulphur Springs School District. Nice little side patio for morning coffee. Formal dining has very nice bright windows. It is very spacious. You have a double tray ceiling with crown molding, lots of natural light in this room. And it leads to this great room with hardwood floors, beautiful fireplace, detailed trim, special custom built bookcases designed for a flat screen TV, and a beautiful entry. Another shot of the entry, detailed tile work and the custom trim ceiling. Spacious family room. And then this hallway leads to the office space and the master suite area. The office has a beautiful leaded glass door, lots of windows, hardwood floors, very spacious area. Master suite has beautiful windows with transom lights above, tray ceiling with detailed lighting, high ceilings. It's a very spacious room, and it does have its own fireplace with mantel, and then you have your gorgeous, luxurious master bath. You do have his and hers closets, and you have a private suite door with stained glass above the doors. This master bath is gorgeous. It has detailed trim work and tile, more beautiful stained glass, and this pearl soaking tub, not real pearl, but beautiful pearlized trim. Nice big shower. You have arch everywhere, and then you do have double sinks. Another view of the dining room, very spacious, fits large table, has an art niche, art ledge, detailed crown molding, these stained glass windows, and leads right into this oversized kitchen, great for any chef. Kitchen features stainless and black appliances, has a 5-burner cooktop, a double door design dishwasher, beautiful stained glass that overlooks the formal dining. You have a center island. You have a very spacious custom built pantry and desk space, tons of storage space. And down this hallway, you have a huge overflow pantry off the garage and a separate utility room that can just get all kinds of things done. Double sink, bright cheery walls, lots of storage room for freezers, hanging space, extra pantry space. Nice long hallway with custom transom windows and flooring design, hardwood floors, spacious bedrooms. They all have this gorgeous stained glass above each doorway. You have a very spacious guest bath, clean and simple, with beautiful finish out. I love this bright blue powder bath with wood ceiling and picture molding, and it leads right into this game room. Very spacious room, lots of bright windows, goes out onto the patio, covered area in the backyard, has the wood ceiling, a little dark there. Room for a TV, and you just have lots of play space that would fit a pool table or any kind of activity you and your family want to do. Off of the master bedroom and the game room is this gorgeous covered patio that overlooks this tranquil backyard. Plenty of room for kickball or just bird watching. You can see it's very private and it's a very large space. backyard, and really the whole house has great shade tree covering. Kind of blocks that western sun exposure on these hot Texas summer afternoons. Covered front porch in this beautiful tranquil setting. You really only have one neighbor in sight, and you have a beautiful pond over there. Sprinkler system. You do have a circle drive and these aggregate wash steps. There's a rock gravel base under this circle drive. Thank you for viewing my video. Don't forget, the best way to know for sure is to come see for yourself.